Hello and welcome to MEC 410 Design of Machine Elements for the summer 2021 semester. My name is Jay Mendelson. I am a lecturer in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. This summer our office hours are going to be via Zoom, Mondays and Thursdays from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. The URL is shown in Blackboard. MEC 310 and 363 are the prereqs for this course. Our textbook is called Machine Elements in Mechanical Design, 6th edition. Please make sure you use the 6th edition for this class. There are many websites that are noted in the textbook that you can use for further assistance in understanding the material, and I give you a number of websites for you to go to for assistance in doing your homework. The course files are posted and announcements made through Blackboard. The entire class is run through Blackboard in that homework is posted as an assignment. It's done online in Blackboard, and as part of doing your homework assignments in Blackboard, you must upload to Blackboard in MS Excel or Google Sheets format the spreadsheet that you use to do all of your calculations. I check the homework and the project submission files, and I'm responsible for grading the exams. The exams are done in automated grading format, but we also ask you to upload the handwritten files that you use to do your calculations for the exams. We use three basic places in Blackboard to find class information. Announcements are made in the announcements section. I store all the lecture slides and links to online videos in course documents, and all of your online homework assignments, design project assignments, and exams to do online are stored in the assignments section. Starting any one of our homework assignments is pretty easy. You just go to the assignments section, click right where it says Chapter 5 or any other chapter for homework grading. That will take you to an online test where you enter the data per the questions that are asked. And then when you're done entering your data, you click on this tab that says Chapter 5 Homework Submission, and that's where you upload the Excel file to show that you did the work in Excel for all of your calculations. When you click on the homework grading exercise, you'll come to a screen that looks like this one. You just click on Continue, and you get to another screen that is the first question that you'll be asked. You type in a number in the box and then click where it says Save Answer, and we tell you how many points that question's worth, and then you go to the next one. For homework submissions, you just click on where it says Chapter 5 or any other chapter number for homework submission. You get taken to a screen that looks just like this one. Click on where it says Browse My Computer, and then upload your file, and then click Submit to upload it. The class documents that I create are copyrighted, so I would appreciate it if you use it for your own edification and future learning in this field. But please don't go upload my documents on sites such as Course Hero and Chegg and Slater and Study.com, because those sites don't share any of the royalties with the professors. They make money off whatever gets uploaded, but whoever actually wrote the files, well, too bad, and I don't consider that fair. MEC 410 is all about the design of moving parts. Systems are usually powered by an electric motor or some other type of energy generation system. Then gears, cams, and linkages are known as drives, and they convert that electrical power to a different level of torque or spinning around at different axes. You have bearings that support the system and structural frames that support the bearings and all the moving parts, and then you got all types of fasteners that hold the system together. We're going to study all of those elements in the order that you see here. We do skip around a little bit. We don't do every chapter in the book. The first 4 chapters are interesting, except they're covered by MEC 310 and 363, so I skip them. Chapter 6 is an interesting chapter, but it's also covered by MEC 363, so no need to go into it. Chapter 16's got good information about plane surface bearings, but they don't tend to be used in high-energy transformation systems because there's too much friction. So suffice in this class, we're just going to study rolling contact bearings, which is in Chapter 14. 15% of your letter grade is going to be for homework. Please don't be submitting homework late. Blackboard will not let you do that. Answer keys get published about a day after the homework due dates. 10% of your grade will be for 2 design projects, one about halfway through the course and the other near the end of the course. 40% of your grade will be for the 2 midterm exams, and 35% of the grade will be for the final exams. On the midterm and final exams, you may use double-sided equation sheets so that you don't have to memorize all these formulas. You can use printouts of your own Excel homework if you like, and you can use your own printouts of formulas that you type up, but I do want you to go through the exercise of writing down, either typing them or handwriting the formulas, because that will help you remember them, and more importantly, it'll help you remember how to use them. The class attendance requirement is really for the regular semester, so it's not like we do live lectures, so we waive that requirement during the summer. On the other hand, I would stress that if you do need help with the course, please do come to the office hours. I will be there the whole time, hoping people to show up. Historically, I find that not that many people come to the office hours, and it tends to be kind of lonely. For me, that is. But I will tell you that it is the best way to get some personal attention, help you understand the material. Here's how we calculate the letter grades at the end of the semester. I'm not going to read through all this, fairly self-explanatory. And you've also got the slides in Blackboard if you want to record this information. Here is the course schedule for our summer session. We start on June 21st and we go through August 14th. The class only runs for 8 weeks. Normally in spring semester, it runs for 14 weeks. So the key message here is that in the summertime, the class is running on a very compressed schedule, and you do need to keep up with it. When you cram 14 weeks of material into only 8 weeks of time, it's kind of like taking 2 courses at the same time in those 8 weeks. I caution you now that you're going to have to put significant amount of time in doing your homework every week in order to fit the whole class in the 8 weeks. And I would appreciate your cooperation in the class in monitoring all the due dates. We will give you all kinds of reminders, of course, in Blackboard that assignments have been placed and exams have been coming up. But I do know from experience working with students in the summertime that this is a very compressed schedule, and people often tell me that the amount of hours per week that they have to put into the class in the summer is quite large. So I warn you now, this is a 3-credit junior level course. It is one of the harder classes in the Stonybrook Mechanical Engineering curriculum. I'm sure you can all do well, and I wish you good luck. And as the weeks go by, if you want to talk to me personally, please come to the Zoom office hours and on Mondays and Thursdays, 5 to 7, and we'll give you all the help that I can.